What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bring you guys another video. I appreciate y'all for tuning into this video here, man. I really do. We just hit 3,000 subscribers, and for that I shaved the mustache. I shaved the mustache because I wanted to feel uncomfortable. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes in life you gotta make yourself feel uncomfortable so you can grow. You know, in this case I'm trying to grow my confidence because I was so used to the stash, you know. I feel like I look a lot younger. I don't know why I don't like it, but that was the whole point of shaving my mustache, right? Now, I didn't shave it because I hit 3K subscribers. I'm just, you know, playing with y'all. But, you know, we did hit 3,000 subscribers. So shout out to the Mendez family out there, man. I appreciate y'all so much, man. Y'all don't even know. So right now we're actually going to go ahead and drive to our first client. And the reason why I haven't been uploading is just because I've been super busy, you guys. So first thing first, I'm by myself now, like you guys heard me say in the last video. So I'm by myself. Victor is no longer with me, so it's kind of like taking a toll on me. And you know, I'm just trying to figure out what I should do, how many cars I should do, you know, how to answer the calls, how to schedule people out, and just trying to like schedule stuff out so I can, you know, stay on top of stuff. Because when you fall behind, it's scary, man. When you fall behind, you're losing money at that point. So I'm just trying to make sure that I don't lose out on any opportunities and I can get as many cars booked as possible. So right now I'm actually booked till around Christmas time. So, which is very good. You know, it's very good, but it's also very bad because when, you know, new clients call and they want to schedule an appointment, they're like, hey, you know, when is your available appointment? And I tell them, hey, Christmas time. They're like, damn, that's damn near next year. You know what I'm saying? This is already next year, so I'm gonna just go with another detailer. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it kind of like takes a toll on you when you're by yourself. You know, I don't plan on staying like this, you know, but being that I just moved out, so I just moved into a new apartment, so this is also why, you know what I'm saying, I kind of just been slacking with the videos. I took a little while to set up my office and computer and stuff like that. So, you know, I do appreciate y'all patience, man. I've been gone for like a month, I believe. And yeah, we're in a new place now. Got my own place, got my own crib. Well, apartment. I don't want y'all to think I got a house. I ain't got it like that yet. But we definitely gonna get to that. We gonna definitely get a house. But for right now, we just moved into an apartment. And yeah, shout out to y'all, man, because y'all definitely helped me, you know, being able to afford and take that leap of faith, man. I appreciate y'all greatly. Go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. We have 2 vehicles to do today, and we have 2 interiors, I believe. So we have a full shampoo, and then we have an interior detail with a partial or small touch-up shampoo. So we're gonna go ahead and drive to that one first. I believe we're making around $300 to $400 today, and then I'm gonna just, you know, take you guys with me. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. I don't have my tripod with me, but I do have one coming in today when I get off. So the videos continuing forward would be a little better with the tripod. But for today, I'm gonna just show y'all the before and after shots. Try to record in between. All right, YouTube, so we just got here to our first client. So what I did was I plugged in my steamer here. They had an outlet in the garage. So I just plugged it in here. We have the heater, well, the steamer heating up over here. And then I went ahead and prepped my solution for the shampoo, which is the 3D speed, not 3D speed, which is this stuff right here. That stuff right there. This is what I use for my shampoo majority of the time. If not, I'm gonna just use some degreaser, some super clean. But I like using this because of the scent that it leaves. So we're using that to shampoo the seats in here. So we're not doing nothing on the exterior for this car. Just gonna do interior only. And we're just gonna go ahead and detail these doors. Clearly, you know, take all this stuff out of there. We have, you know, carpet, get in between there with our air compressor, get the air vents real nice and good, get all this like sticky stuff off of the steering wheel. Y'all see it. So I just got here. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking stuff out, put it in a bag, and then I will go ahead and start vacuuming. But as I do this, I like to, you know, heat up the steamer because the steamer takes a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a seat, like light shampoo on the seats. So it'll just be the bottom. So it'll be the bottom on these seats because the back seems to be good. And then I would do the passenger seat. And the driver's side seat is not too bad, but I'll probably just, you know, go ahead and touch that up as well, just to make it match with the rest of them. All right, so I usually have a microfiber bonnet on my steamer head here, but we're just gonna go ahead and do this because they all seem to be dirty and I can't find them. So we're just gonna go ahead and use this towel with a strapped around it just to hold the towel still. Like I said, I usually use the bonnet, which is a lot better, but what can you do? All right, you guys, so we just finished the detail on this Hyundai Elantra. So we just shampooed the interior, cup holders were cleaned, got those coins out of there, everything is cleaned and dressed up. I'm just wiping stuff down because the wind is just blowing stuff in here, but y'all see it. Detailed all the doors, of course. Door jambs were wiped, cleaned. Got some of the stains off in the back seat here, but you guys can see if you look at it a little bit, you can still see some of those stains are still on there, but nonetheless it looks a lot better. I'll go ahead and explain to the client that, you know, did the best we could. Same thing on this side, just, you know, cleaned it up real nice. I'm just, you know, trying to get these vacuum marks off the carpet. So I just kind of just grab a towel and just wipe it to give it a little bit more natural look. Just to, you know, make it look a little bit more presentable when the client comes and sees it, because I'm about to call her out here right now. So yeah, y'all see it, we got all this stuff off the steering wheel. Now it's back to new, back to normal. All right, so we are here at the second car. Y'all see how dirty it is. I'm not doing the exterior, we're just doing the interior here. Now the key for this car does not seem to be working, so literally it does not work. It's like dead or something. So every time that I open the door, the alarm goes off. So I left this door open here, but a lot of you not. Every time I open the door, the alarm goes off. Now this car has been probably sitting here for the longest. It smells like mold, has mold everywhere. All right, so yeah, like I said, look at this, you guys, look at that. Now since she is gonna pay the $300 to $400, I'm gonna make sure that it comes out good, but the $250, it's just not worth it, man. It's not worth it. But I'll show y'all when I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and wear a mask and everything because this is just not sanitary. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the end or the finished product here. We just finished the car. It's actually 307. And before you guys go crazy in the comment section, man, just understand and know that I did the best that I could. And you know, it is what it is. I did the best that I could with this car. You know, it was just very bad. So I'm gonna just show y'all real quick, and then y'all can let me know in the comment section what y'all think, man. But I think it looks good. You guys let me know. So this is the back side here. So we had to steam the whole entire car. Now it's still some minor defects and stuff, like, you know what I'm saying, like it's better, you know what I mean, it's better than what it was, but you know, it's just how it turned out, you know. It's just how it turned out, you guys. You know, it's a little better. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that carpet down. I actually didn't even steam. I actually didn't wet the carpets too much because the mold was, you know, from something, and I don't know if it was due to like a leak or something in the car. So I didn't want to wet the carpets up more than what they already were. So I just left them, you know, a little. I just gave them a nice little spray and shampooed them lightly because I didn't want to add more water into the vehicle because the mold is coming from somewhere. So I mean, that's just gonna end the video here. I mean, like I said, it came out how it came out. I'm gonna go ahead and charge the client the $350, and we're just gonna go ahead and head off. I have to give the keys back to her aunt right now, so I'm gonna go up there, give her the keys, let her know that I'm done, and then I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and hustle never settle, man. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let's go.